Hi, I'm Saren Coach with Alt Legal, and I'm here today with Lydia Gobena, partner at Frost Zelnick. Lydia is going to be speaking at our upcoming virtual trademark conference, Alt Legal Connect, on September 13th to 15th, and we're very excited to have her join us. So, Lydia, tell me more about your session and what you'll be talking about.
Thank you for having me. I'm very excited to be presenting. I practice in the area of international intellectual property law, and so my session is going to be looking at the differences between um, trademark prosecution and enforcement in the U.S. versus internationally, because I think there's some significant differences, and I think I would like to sort of compare and contrast the two areas. So that's primarily what I'm going to be focusing on.
For sure, and a very useful topic now with so many international trademark filings happening and so much just globalization in our economy as well. What is the most exciting about your session topic?
Well, I think what's great about my topic is the fact that every jurisdiction has its own laws. And so you're always sort of navigating. And so when you are advising clients on protecting their rights, both in the US and internationally, it's just very important to understand that the rules that apply to a US filing will not necessarily apply elsewhere. And the fact that sometimes you can get away with filing much broader internationally. So from a defensive standpoint, for example, you are able to protect your rights maybe a little broader than you can in the United States. So really sort of transversing and understanding what is going on when you want to protect the rights. And so that's really what I'm going to be, I think it'll be something that will be exciting and interesting for people to learn.
Sounds great and really helpful too. What is the most important skill or piece of knowledge that people will get from your session?
I think the most important skill is understanding that you have to be adaptable. You also have to, obviously, as a lawyer, have a great attention to detail because you're going to have to understand all the requirements, whether it's like if you file a trademark application in some countries, you're going to have to file a power of attorney, which may need to be legalized and it may need to be submitted within a particular period of time. So it's really understanding what the laws or rules are and making sure that you follow them to a T so that you don't jeopardize your client's rights.
Absolutely. So what are you looking forward to most about Alt Legal Connect this year?
I am never attended, so I'm a newbie. I'm really looking forward to some of the sessions, getting to know people. I'm always looking to meet different people in the IP space and to learn from them because I think every conference is an opportunity. And in particular, I really love how Alt Legal is looking at it both from a law firm management perspective, but also looking at the substantive issues surrounding IP law.
Definitely. And we're so excited to be hosting all of these exciting networking events and the chats like we had last year. We're hoping to resume all of that and the great success we had with that. Besides your own session, what session at Alt Legal Connect are you most excited to attend?
So I'm really interested in the session relating to IP law and social justice because I think, over the last couple of years, especially with the George Floyd situation, to try to understand how we as IP lawyers can actually help improve the world. And I think I'm really looking forward to that session because I'd love to sort of see what they have thoughts on, in connection with that.
For sure. We're really looking forward to that one as well. And your session too, Lydia. Thank you so much for joining us. And we're really looking forward to seeing you at Connect in just a couple months now.
Thank you so much. I'm excited.